Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize gestures for the headphones Pixel Buds Pro 2 with using your Android device. You have to start by open Pixel application. Now go to touch controls. And what the best, I don't know why, but we can customize just press and hold gestures. That's all, we can't customize single tap or double tap, just it. So click on the settings icon at the top or for a line press and hold at the bottom. And click next customize, and as you can see we can just add a Google Assistant, or Siri if you use Android, or manage ANC mode. That's all what we have. I don't know why. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!